make them different from a seal. Hind flippers that rotate, making moving on land so easy. Ladies, show them your back flippers, please. True seals, on the other hand, are very different. They have small front flippers, and their back flippers don't rotate, so on land, they move a little bit funny.
Now folks, tell me, would you like to see Sophie's imitation of a seal? Would you like to? Good. Sophie, you heard them? Show them a seal.
That looks like a seal, alright?
And this is how a seal walks.
An excellent imitation of a seal. Good job, Sophie. Good job. You know what, folks? Brandy would like to demonstrate another skill that every member of the Marine Patrol must have. And that is her remarkable self-control. So this is what I'm going to do. Okay, Brandy? I'm gonna ask Brandy to lay down here on the deck, just like that. And I'm going to place 4 very juicy fish right in front of her face. The rule is she can only eat that fish on the clap of my hands and for only one at a time. First fish. Good girl, Brandy. Second fish. Wow, she's listening. On to the third fish. Hey, what are you doing? You think you can fool her? No, you can't, unless all of you folks want to try. Come on, clap your hands. Louder. See? Hey, Brandy, you can now have your third fish. And one more fish to go, and we are done. Last fish. Did she eat the last fish? Did she eat it? Yes. Okay, Brandy, show them what happens to a bad sea lion. Okay? Let's give her another chance. But this time, let's make it more difficult. Because instead on the floor, I'm going to place a very juicy fish right on top of her nose, where she can smell it. But she cannot eat it unless I clap my hands. Come on, let's try to pull Brandy. Louder! I told you, she is really good at this. Okay, Brandy, you can now have your fish. And that is self-control. Good job, Brandy. The Marine Patrol tries to maintain its good community relations. And right now, we have invited a very special member of the community who would like to meet early, up close and personal. So assisting her is our very own Officer Jason. Take it away, Jason.
Thank you so much, Officer Reggie. Okay, so guys, just like Officer Reggie said, we are going to meet a member of the community. And here she is. Hello, ma'am. What is your name? Camille. So Camille, I want you to do is put your hand on his back, ma'am. Then face to the audience and smile at the camera. Bye. So how's Erdy? Is he nice? Of course, he is very nice. In fact, he would like to give you a very special treat. And that would be a lovely, juicy, fishy kiss. Smile, Erdy. Okay, so are you ready, ma'am? Are you ready for the kiss? This is what you're going to do. All you need to do is just step closer to him, offer your cheek, offer your cheek, then we're going to give a gentle kiss on your cheek. Alright, okay, it's all yours. Alright, so how's Ernie's kiss? Did you like it? Nagustuhan mo ba, ma'am? Nagustuhan mo. So if you're going to rate that kiss on the scale of 1 to 10, then 10 being the best kiss that you ever had, what would it be? 1 to 10, anong rate ni Ernie? 4? You know what, Ma'am Ernie is very perfectionist. He always got a perfect score. To make a perfect score, he needs to kiss you again. Yep, but this time, it's gonna be on the lips. That's right. Come Are you up to it, ma'am? Ma'am, kailangan lips to lips para maging perfect din. Ma'am, stay lang po tayo sa... Okay. Sa kasulat, hindi po pwede, ma'am. Lips to lips with the sea lion. Right, Lee? Right, Lee? Ano, ma'am? Hey, Early, would you like to kiss her in the lips? No. Belat ka daw. So guys, we're just kidding. So guys, have a big round of applause for Early and our lucky guest. Ma'am, thank you so much, ma'am. You may take your seat and enjoy the rest of the show. Right. Okay, Early, you can go back to Officer Reggie. Moving on. To stay in shape, the Marine Patrol likes to compete in exciting contests of strength and agility, and thus the Iron Sea Lion Triathlon. Today, we are looking for another volunteer from you audience who thinks he is brave enough to compete against our current champion. But this time, we need an adult male. Adult male. There you go. Okay, so guys, how about a little encouragement for our volunteer? Come on, everybody. Hello, sir. Good afternoon. What is your name? Raymond. So Raymond, are you ready to show us what a hard body you are? Ready ka? Did you know what you volunteered for? Yes. We're done on that part, sir. Di mo ba alam? Okay, sir, just come with me on the stage and I'll explain you everything. Okay, come with me. Where are you from? Cavite. Alright, we are here. Now, how about a friendly handshake to the champion? Handshake, sir. Handshake. Huh? So guys, this is how the contest works. Our volunteer and Early will compete in a series of tests to see this guy has what it takes to become a member of the Marine Patrol. The basic rule is whatever Early does, he needs to do it as well. Sir, simpleng-simple, kung anong gagawin ni Early, yun ang gagawin mo. Wala ka ng choice. Are you ready, Early? Not yet. Maybe you need some warm-up. Warm up ka rin. Warm up. Massage. Alright. Let the games begin. Round 1. What is your name again? Raymond. We're starting out easy on you. All you need to do, turn like that. Okay, Raymond. Your turn. Turn. Come on, in the middle. Help, help, help. There. All right, good boy. Round 2. Officer Reggie, can we make a little bit difficult? A little bit. There, all you need is just stay down and Raymond, the floor is wet. It's all yours. Come on, kaya mo yan. Down. Mister. or else hulog ka sa tubig. Kaya-kaya mo yan. So guys, I think Raymond did a little perfect. Guys, let's go. Guys, let's go. Guys, let's go! 1, 2, 3! Come on, Raymond! What did you do? Alright, tell me, do you want more? Okay, I need another volunteer. Anyone? Just kidding. That's it of our competition. So guys, have a big round of applause for Raymond and Ernie. For every competition, there's a winner. Alright. Raymond, thank you! And congratulations, Early! Good job, Early! Nice job! Raymond, don't be sad. You did a great job today, right, folks? Yes, we have something special for you. Stay right there. Stay. Stay. Ah, good boy. Raymond, since you step right here and compete against Early, you tried your best and that's what counts. So we decided to give you a very special award. Fish. Come on, sir, don't be shy. Come on, take it. There you go, and eat it now. I'm just kidding. You can give it back to Early, sir. Just like that. Sir, don't worry, he won't bite. Guys, we are the proud, the brave, and the beautiful. Now, Raymond, your job is to get out there and tell the world about Sea Lion and the good work they do. Folks, have another round of applause for Raymond and Ernie. Sir, you don't have to worry. You have a free shirt, short, and shoes from the gift shop. Congratulations.
Wow.
Sirs, thank you so much.
What a great